Well, welcome everybody. I'm Mark from LTP. One problem that we're all faced with this time of year with our external porcelain pavers is stains from leaves that fall onto the surface of your porcelain. They basically rot, the tannins come out of the leaves and they leave a brown stain on the surface of your porcelain paver. Now, this type of staining is very, very tough. It's very, very difficult to remove. Even jet washing with a power washer will not get these marks out. Thankfully, here at LTP and ECOPROTEC, we have a solution that will get rid of it. Now, this is a fairly heavy-duty general cleaner that you're all familiar with, the details of which will be included in this video. All you need to do is dilute it 1:1 with a little bit of water and pour it over the stain. This is then left on the surface and gently agitated using a black pad. So we have a pad here and you literally just give it a scrub like so, working it into the surface of the porcelain. And I don't know whether you can see in the close-up there, it's literally disappeared almost immediately. And just to prove that it's not just the scrubbing alone that's getting rid of the mark that's appeared, I'm just going to take a pad over this side and give it a scrub really hard. And again, if you home in on that, I'm really rubbing quite hard. All of these tannin stains that are in the porcelain here simply are not being removed. So what I'm going to do now, just to show you, I'll put a little bit of the intensive cleaner, which we've diluted 1:1, onto the surface of the very same stain that I was just scrubbing. We'll give it a bit of a nudge with the emulsifying pad. In fact, and you can see there, I don't know whether that's showing up well in the video, it is completely disappearing. So our intensive cleaner absolutely destroys and gets rid of tannin stains that appear on your porcelain paving. Now, there's a much easier way of doing this. If you've got a really big area to do, you can literally put this solution into a light pressure sprayer. You can spray it over the surface of your patio. If you just left it for 10 or 15 minutes, a lot of the chemical or the cleaning solution would do the work for you. Then it's just a question of getting a hose or a pressure washer on a low setting and just rinsing it off. So I'll just finish scrubbing over here on this section. Might need a little bit more solution. This is quite a big stain we've got here from normally sycamore leaves, they're the worst. And we'll just give that a scrub. Now, because we're in an environment where we can't use a hose to wash down our surfaces after we've been scrubbing them, we're going to use a sponge just to extract and remove all of these released tannins from the surface of this porcelain. Just going to draw the sponge across the surface and you can see straight away all the grime, the detritus, the tannins from the leaves, they've all come out and are now in my sponge. So I'll just give that one more sweep over. And there we have it. I've deliberately only done half of this piece of porcelain paver, so you can see the difference between the part that I have cleaned down here at the bottom and where I haven't cleaned at the top. Anyway, that's how you remove leaf stains from porcelain tiles. Thank you very much.